How to make Google Docs page horizontal. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Docs, and I have two pages here. Okay, you can see I have two pages. In one page, okay, so here one page I have text and second page I don't have text. This is blank. Okay, so if you want to make horizontal, or if you want to change orientation on your page, you can change. First select that page you want to change or make the horizontal. Just go to the file, go to the page setup, and here you can see you can change the orientation, like you can make the portrait or landscape. So you can see this option, this apply for whole document or selected content. Okay, so you can apply this for whole documents. If you make the landscape or portrait, it will be applied to all documents. Just click on it and click on OK, and you can see you can also change the margin here. You can change the page size, and you can change also page color. Okay, and okay, so for if you want to make you can, if you want to make one page landscape or portrait, then you have to select the content. So we did not select the content yet, so let me show you. If I select the content like that, if for first page, if I go to the file and go to the page setup, here if I choose a landscape, here you can see the option called selected doc content, and just click on OK. You can see now the page which we selected has been changed in landscape, and other two page will be in same portrait. Okay, so that is how you can apply for whole document or only one page, or you can make horizontal page for in Google Docs. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.